Welcome to my channel Stenography English and Marathi. Here we will see all about English and Marathi steno. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can get outlines of given passage in description. Please check it out.
5 seconds. Production means any sort of work which is done to meet the wants and needs of other people by means of exchange. Manufacturers and retailers all have a part to play in the business of meeting the needs of the consumer. The manufacturers, of course, make the required goods and retailers buy them and make them more useful. They supply them at the time and the places at which they are needed. There are also many other people who work to produce services as well as material goods which consumers need. Para. The needs of the consumer can be for two kinds of goods, that is to say, goods which are used up in a single action and those that go on being used for considerable period of time. Coal and petrol and paper are examples of goods used up in a single action, while houses and cars are examples of goods that go on being used in this class of goods. The amount of time for which the goals that can go on being used vary a good deal. A pen may last only a few months or even a few weeks if it is used very often, but a house, on the other hand, can be used for many years so long as it is kept in good condition. Some of the goods bought by consumers belong to one of these two classes and some to the other. Most of the goods which are needed for a single use have to be bought regularly. When a quantity in petrol has been used, it must be filled in again. If the car is kept in use in the same way, food has to be bought regularly. However, the kind of goods which last for a time may continue to be useful even long after they have been bought, and so these goods do not need to be purchased very soon. Thank you.